The Church of All Nations ay kilala also as Church of Gethsemane or the Basilica of the Agony, ay isang Catholic church na matatagpuan sa Mount of Olives in East Jerusalem, katabi ng Garden ng Gethsemane. It enshrines a section of bedrock kung saan si Jesus nag-prayed before his arrest. Thank you for watching.